Her Hammer Brothers. And there's a picture of the whole psychotic tool family before we put them all together. Beautiful, eh? Alright. So, to put them together, first we're going to put a lot of these back. Alright. So, yes, we just fold these up and this up. Not a lot to say during this. Matter of fact. Alright, so we have taken these robots and put them back mostly into tool mode without all their extra bits. Alright, we're going to take the two hammers here and they get pegged together. Then we take one of the pliers here, which you see resembles a hand, and it goes here on one side. The other side we have the other pliers, which do the same. Okay, and I'm a little confused all of a sudden. I feel that I have done something wrong. It can't be. Whatever. Am I even recording? Yes, I am. Derp, derp, derpity doo, derp, derp, derpity, derpity doo. Welcome everybody to me making a fool out of myself. Alright, so yeah, we put that on there. And then we take it and put it on here. On the bottom. Link up. One leg. Take the hammer. Thing. On head. Thing. It's backwards! That makes me so angry, and he's fallen in half. Why? Why must you fight me? Okay, so we put his hammer. Come on. Come on! Well, you have too many pieces to put on. Okay, and this is supposed to attach as a helmet. Oh, I see what I did. Right, he's got a hidden head in this compartment. Ah, thank you. Thank you for flying away. I didn't need you or anything. So yeah, there we are. There's his real head. Shiny and gold, like all heads should be. I know mine is. Well, there went another piece. Wonderful. I know that is what I wanted to happen. Alright, leg together and legs on backwards. Backwards. Oh God. You know what? These connections are far too finicky to fuss with on camera, and yet I did it anyway. Such be my genius. Alright, if I could just get his horns on, we would be good. Yeah, come on, horns. Come on. Yeah! As you might have been able to guess by that fiasco, this robot has far too many joints that are far too loose. But once you do get him together, he does look kind of cool. In a very retro, boxy kind of way. Just don't, you know, touch him too much or he'll fall apart. We also have the saw and screw blade, which can both be put on his hand, thusly. Yeah, and there went that again. Yeah, not even gonna pick it up. How did this go on again? I'm honestly quite baffled. I know I got it to do it before, but when I look at it, it's just... how did I get this round hole on that? I don't know. But trust me, it's doable. He can hold those two weapons. And you won't be seeing that right now because I'm honestly quite frustrated with this guy. I've already misplaced one of these. Yeah. Because he likes to fall apart every chance I give him. But there he is. Together we are going to call him Diminisher because he's tiny. As far as Kiter goes, here is a bottle of soda, which is quite taller than him. If that's not clear enough, how about a wave bird? There you go. He's about the size of a game controller. Not a very big one at that. Yeah, so he's kind of dumb because he's a robot made of tools. What's the actual use? I guess you don't have to get up and walk to them because they can walk to you. Whatever. Again, you don't get into bootlegs for quality. They are just odd. If you've enjoyed this, feel free to subscribe. And if you haven't, then, well, just try not to yell too hard at me in the comments. Thank you, and have a great day.